Okay, now I feel better because he's got safety glasses on. You're okay. What are you doing? Hey, la la la. Okay.
Yeah, that should pull him out.
Okay, try pulling one out.
Is that one too heavy?
Might be just kind of...
Okay, well...
Oh, he's got the perfect plumber's butt, too.
No, it goes right here.
Why does it?
Matthew, your pants are falling off. Your pants are falling off, mister.
Oh,
Just like a real worker.
We don't worry about that in here.
Yeah.
How can I get across there?
Oh, I guess you probably won't be able to for a little bit.
Can I get across there?
Oh, I can bring you down.
Okay. I don't want to get down.
You know what you need to do? I need to put the shop vac on suck power. You need to suck the sawdust up where all these holes are. Oh, don't pull that up. Still got screws on that side. Can you reach this up and suck it up?
No.
You ready?
This is not tedious.